The anger management class is your only option.
But I don't have anger problems.
It says here that you palmed your wife's head with your hand.
Not palmed, Donkey Konged.
Donkey Konged?
Yeah, shit, it don't even hurt. Parents do it to their kids all the time. I don't see them getting sent to anger management.
I don't know what parents you're referring to, but I've never heard of that. And furthermore, judges don't like it when you Donkey Kong people.
Okay, what about her? She hit me too.
It says here that she was pushing your hand away as you Donkey Konged her.
She still pushed me, and if she wouldn't have got caught cheating, we wouldn't even be here right now.
The report says you were coming from your mistress' house.
What does that got to do with anything? Look, we're talking about her, not me.
Okay, fine. Let's talk about you. Have a seat.
No. You cannot be serious. Hardly my concern.
I'm just saying, my baby ain't got nothing to worry about.
Exactly. I am not concerned about some 25-year-old girl.
She's 28.
I thought you said you didn't know how old she was.
I don't know how old she is. I'm just saying the girl's like 27 or 28. You keep saying she's 25.
Yeah, huh? Well, I am sure if she looks that good, Randall, you guys looked at everything on her resume. Probably twice. Yeah, she probably put her measurements on there, too. That is so tacky.
You were so extra. Ooh, you were extra this morning, baby.
Ooh, so now I'm extra.
Hey, okay, all right. No, you're not extra. All right, come here, come here. The girl ain't even got the job yet. All right, she's in the running. You know what that means, right?
Yeah.
In the running.
Yeah.
She ain't got it.
What's this?
That's a condom. What you doing with that?
No, don't try to turn it around. What's this doing in your jacket pocket?
You're getting on my nerves with this.
I'm getting on your nerves. I'm getting on your nerves. You the one fucking around. You fuck Pandora?
No. Are we gonna go pick up JoJo from your mama's?
No. Since you're being honest, just be real. Did you?
If you want me to, yes, I did.
What you mean if I want you to? No, I don't want you to. Did you? Did, huh?